here from D2 Incorporated to do a CTD product demonstration out here in the ocean. All you need to run a CTD is the equipment we have here on board. So what we have is the CTD, D2 Inc. CTD inside our carrying case. We have a D2 battery pack. We have a 5-meter cable that connects to our USB port on our computer, and a Y cable. So the first thing that we do is we connect the CTD to the 5-pin on the Y cable by simply making this connection here and screwing the lock into place. And then we connect with the 2-pin male to the 2-pin female. We connect with the battery pack, like so. We'll screw that into place. And then we connect our 5-meter cable to our computer. Like so. We'll screw that into place. And now we're going to drop these over the side once we have everything up and running on our laptop. And basically what you do first, as I showed you earlier, is you attach the Y cable to the battery pack into the CTD. And we have a closed field conductivity cell, which is this glass tube right here. And basically how the CTD works is it only measures the conductivity of the water that's flowing through the glass cell. So anything that is near the conductivity cell has no effect on it, which is unique because we don't have a pump on our system. So this can measure free-flowing ocean water without having any issues. And you can strap this to any platform without affecting the calibration. You can put this on profilers, floats, gliders, AUVs, submarines, anything that you can possibly think of that goes in the ocean. And we can design this to either fit into your existing platform, or you can just strap this standard CTD to your existing platform, no problem whatsoever. This has internal memory, so you don't need to send the data back to your computer in real time. However, we're going to do that in this case, which once I turn it on,
you see the difference where it turns on there? Yeah.
You'll see the data starting to come out in real time. So right now we have this operating at 2 Hertz. You can change this to go up to 32 Hertz if you want, or down to 1 Hertz. It just depends on how much data and how quickly you want to gather it. We have this in the on position. So now we're just going to put this over the side of the vessel. It's going to gather data, and we don't have to worry about anything that's around it. As I said, we can just put it in the ocean and let it gather precision data for us. So to do that, take this instrument and put it over the side, and into the ocean it goes. We're going to go down to about 10 meters in this product demonstration, because we're only in about 30 meters of ocean, so we don't want to go too deep.
Yeah, we're right off Woods Hole.
So as you can see now, it's down in there, and it's just letting the ocean water flow through, so you're getting an accurate measurement of exactly the water that it's traveling through. As you can see, it's outputting the data in real time to the computer.
See the difference there? It's showing the temperature, and yeah, big change. Go ahead.
Now to retrieve the sensor, just pull it back up. So out of the water, and we just turn it off to finish the dive. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use. Anyone can use this. It's quite simple to do. You just need the CTD, battery pack, a cable, a laptop, and the free Hyperterminal program anyone can download. Thanks for watching this product demonstration. And if you have any other questions or you want more information about the CTD, please go to d-2.com and also visit the contact page. You can email us questions directly at dfougere@d2inc.com or jsoars@d2inc.com or sales@d2inc.com. And also check out our news page for recent and news updates about oceanography and marine science. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.